Hi, we're the UTS Cat Society, and welcome to How to Make a Cat Hat. What you will need: 1 sheet of paper, any color, preferably in the square shape. Step 1. Fold in half both ways, first diagonally to all points and then horizontally and vertically to all edges. Step 2. Bring the center to a point and fold into a square again as seen. Fold bottom half of the now diamond upwards to the point and back down again. Fold the bottom up midway as an end guide for its point. Fold the portion up again, filling the second quarter of the diamond. Step 3. Repeat on the other side. Step 4. Fold the diamond inwards, concealing your new folds, and into a fresh diamond again. Step 5. Fold top and bottom edges into the center. Repeat on the other side. Fold up the top flap into a house shape. And use the crease to create a smaller fold upwards. Use this new fold and envelope it into your pocket. Step 7. Fold the remaining diamond sides edges on the left and the right, and then in the center. Step 8. Smoothen out the paper inside into a lovely hat. You have your cat hats! Feel free to theme your cat hats just as we have done. Step 9. Let your cat show off your new hats! A perfect Waluigi. Oh no, Cookie. Good luck, everyone!